Looks like an accident ahead. Really slowing me down. Like rush hour traffic right now. Hope I get to the airport in time. Okay, let's see what the hell happened. They reduced this highway down to a single lane. Looks like some big rig flipped on his side. Yep, there it is. I don't know what the hell. Oh jeez, look at that. It completely flipped over. Finally.
Next left onto West Century Boulevard, then slight right.
They're taking a second look at my luggage, most likely because the gimbal triggered the metal detector or whatever. Oh well. Turns out it wasn't the gimbal after all. It was the tripod. This way to the Alaska Lounge.
Okay, we'll try.
They had the same thing last time and it was empty up there.
Yeah.
Let's make a pancake. So it squishes it out, and then it gets squished through this little heat element, and then, oh crap, oh yeah, goes right there. It makes me too.
Okay, thanks.
In case you're wondering what the Wi-Fi password is here. Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another .com lifestyle vlog. Right now I am in the Alaska Airlines lounge waiting for my flight to Costa Rica. The funny thing was at the entrance to the elevator there's a sign that says we're not taking priority pass right now because the lounge is full. Does it look full to you? Never trust a sign. Alright, so I made it, landed safely. Right now headed for custom, and it's raining, which is unusual. You know, I left Orange County today. It was kind of wet and damp as well. And landing in Costa Rica, expected to be greeted by great sunshine, and it's raining harder than California. Oh well. I'm the first one off the plane. let's hope I'm the first one going to custom and the first one out of here. Which really doesn't really matter because every time I came to Costa Rica, my driver has always been late. I always end up waiting for him. Wow, customs is empty. Completely empty. I can't believe it. I really am going to be the first one to get through. That was the fastest I ever been through custom. Not just Costa Rica customs, any custom. Like I just walked up to the inspector, handed her my passport. She looked at it, scanned it, stamped it, and that was it. All in less than 1 minute. I wish the US was like this. As you can see, wet, raining in California.
I don't like this shirt. I don't like.
You don't like his shirt because he's a bimbo.
No, I don't like.
He said champions yesterday.
Oh, I just read the word bimbo.
I don't like.
You do know in America what a bimbo is, right?
So this team
Say,
winner yesterday.
winner.
No good.
He's the winner, the Costa Rican bimbo.
The champion.
There you go,
Yes,
champion.
Yesterday.
Don't have to. His t-shirt says it all. 2-hour drive to the resort. In the rain. In the wet rain. Yeah. Oh, welcome back to the Moat Resort. Alright, check out the new reception area. They changed it. It's got let's get a little storefront here selling t-shirts. Table area. Ooh, these are kind of cool. Yeah. It's always cool to come back here and see what they've done to this place. Okay. I have made it to the remote resort. I'm right now in the film studio, which is where my room is. Let me show you guys this. So you can see the lights and stuff. This is a little backdrop they used to do filming, but you can check it out. So you see that door right there. That's my room. So we can set up different type of settings here. That's you can see the mic setup there. The lights. Here's a whole bunch of all the equipment and stuff we use to do our filming. But yeah, it's just a matter of moving the chairs into different locations and creating different backdrops. You got dark drapes, light drapes, flowers and stuff. Pretty cool. And yeah, my simple little room. I like staying here because the Wi-Fi here is really fast.